Welcome to Study Online. This is part 4 of Time and Work. Our Facebook group is Study Online. I request to all of you, please join this group. First question given: 5 men can do a work in 6 days, while 10 women can do a same work in 5 days. In how many days can 5 women and 3 men can do it? We have to find it. Okay. So how we will solve this? See, what is given? 5 men can do a work in 6 days. Okay. And also 10 women can do the same work in 5 days. Now, take the LCM of 6 and 5, that is 30. So I will assume 30 as total work. 30 units as total works. Okay. LCM of 6 and 5, 30. So I assume total work as 30. 30 units has to be completed by men and women. Okay. Now listen. If 5 men are working for 6 days, that means they are doing 5 units per day, then only they can complete 30 units. That means 5 men completing 5 units per day. Similarly, 10 women for 5 days working, that means they are completing 6 units per day. Okay, I hope you got this. Okay, now listen. If 5 men are doing 5 units per day, that means one man is doing how much unit per day? 1 unit per day only. Then only 5 men can do 5 units per day. And similarly, if 10 women is doing 6 units per day, that means one woman is doing 6 by 10, that means 0.6 unit per day. Okay. Then only it is possible. Okay. Now listen. We have to find in how many days 5 women and 3 men can do the work. So 5 women and 3 men plus 3 men. Okay. That means one woman is doing 0.6 unit per day. That means 5 women will do 5 multiplied by 0.6 plus 3 multiplied by man is doing 1 unit per day. That means 1. So 3 plus 3 is equal to 6 unit per day. That means 5 women and 3 men are doing 6 unit per day. And the total units are how many? 30. So that means total time will be 30 by 6. That will be 5 days. Okay. Option number B will be our answer. I hope you got this. Those who are watching this video for first time, please watch part 1, 2 and 3. So you will get the clarity. Okay. Now see one more question. What is given? 3 men or 6 women can do a work in 16 days. In how many days 12 men and 8 women can do the work? Okay. Now listen. 3 men. If the word or is given, that means or means equal to. Okay. We have to take sign equal to. And if the word and is given, we have to take sign plus. Okay. Now listen. Or 3 men or 6 women. That means 3 men is equal to 6 women. Okay. They are working for how many days? 16 days. So let me assume the total work as 16 units. Okay. 16 days. So total unit I assume as 16 units. Okay. Okay. Now listen. If 3 men doing 16 unit, 3 men are working for 16 days. Okay. And doing 16 unit, that means 3 men are doing 1 unit per day. Okay. Similarly, 6 women working for 16 days, same work. That means 6 women also doing 1 unit per day. Okay. 3 men or 6 women, they are doing the same work, 1 unit per day, 1 unit per day. Then only they can complete in same days only, 16 days. Okay. Now listen, if 3 men are doing 1 unit per day, that means 1 man will be equal to 1 by 3 unit per day. Okay. and one woman will be equal to 1 by 6 unit per day. 1 by 6 unit per day. Okay, now listen. We have to find for 12 men and 8 women. 12 men and the word given is and. That means plus 8 women. So 12 men is how much? 1 by 3. 1 by 3 plus 8 women is how much? 1 by 6. Okay, this is 4 the 2 3 the 2 4 the. That means 4 plus 4 by 3 units per day. That means 16 by 3 units per day. So 12 men and 8 women are doing 16 by 3 units per day. And the total units are how much? 16 units. So total time will be how much? Time will be equal to total units divided by unit per day. 16 by 3. That means 16 by 16, that will be equal to 3 days. Okay, I hope you got this. Option number C will be our answer. See one more question. What is given in this question? 4 men and 6 women can complete a work in 8 days. Okay, that means 4 men and given, that means we will take the sign plus. 4 men and 6 women doing the work in 8 days. Okay, okay, while 3 men and 7 women complete the work in 10 days. Okay, and in how many days? 10 women will complete it. As I told you, for finding the total work, first take the LCM of these two. Okay, so LCM of 8 and 10 will be how much? 30, 40 only. So I will assume 40 as total units. 40 units. Okay, 40 units is the total work we have to done. Okay, now listen. If 4 men and 6 women are working for 8 days and completing 40 units, that means they are doing 5 units per day. Okay, similarly here 3 men and 7 women are doing 4 units per day. Okay, so what is given? 4 men plus 6 women are doing 5 units per day, and 3 men plus 7 women are doing 4 units per day. Okay, now we have to find in how many days 10 women will complete the work. So we have to find that one woman is doing how many units. Okay, so multiply the above equation by 3 and this is by 4. Okay, so what will be the equation become? 12 men plus 18 women will be equal to 15 units per day, and similarly 12 men plus 28 women will be equal to 16 units per day. Now subtract it. This will be cancelled. This will be minus 10 will be equal to minus 1. Minus minus cancel. That means one woman will do 1 by 10th unit per day. Okay, so one woman will do how much unit? 1 by 10th unit. And there are given how many women? 10 women. That means 10 women will do 10 by 10, 1 unit per day. 1 unit per day. So, and as we know, the total units we have to do is 40 units. So the time will be, time taken by 10 women will be total work divided by unit per day. That means 40 days. Total 40 days 10 women will take. Option number C will be our answer, because 10 women are doing 1 unit per day. Okay, okay, I hope you got all these questions. Those who are watching this, please watch part 1, 2 and 3 first. Okay, then you will get all these concepts. Okay, and please like this video. If you have any doubt, ask me in comment box, and please subscribe my channel. Thank you friends.